We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
In this video, we will learn about how to create cube or box in AutoCAD. So there is a 3D primitives used in AutoCAD to construct any solid geometry like box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, torus and polysolid. So here we will first understand how to construct box. So we can directly select box from this icon or we can type here. So I am directly selecting box command. So AutoCAD will ask me for giving or specifying first corner point of the box. So there is a 2 method of constructing box. We can define coordinate of that point or we can select a point with the help of mouse. So first I am using coordinate system. So instead of selecting point by mouse, I am specifying coordinate point. So I am giving coordinate as 0, 0, 0 as my first corner point, and then AutoCAD will ask me for other corner point. I will specify other corner point as 100, 10, 50. So 100 is my length, 10 is my height and 50 is my width. So I am giving all these 3 input in single command. Okay, when I press enter, box is constructed. So this is one method to construct box. I have specified first corner point as 0, 0, 0, so it will select first corner point as its origin. Now I have given other corner point as 100, 10, 50. So 100. So other corner point will be located at 100 mm in x direction, 10 mm in y direction and 50 mm in z direction. So this is a one method to construct a box by specifying first corner point then other corner point. Now other method of constructing box is very similar, but instead of giving coordinate, I am giving input of length, width and height. So when AutoCAD will ask for first corner point, I will select first corner point with the help of mouse. By clicking left button, I have specified first corner point. Now I will press L enter to specify length, width and height of the box. I have pressed L and then I have pressed enter. Then I will give length as 100, but before that I have dragged my mouse in the direction of length. So then I have pressed 100 and enter. So length of 100 mm is given by me. Then AutoCAD will ask for width. Now I want to give width as 10. I have specified the width. Now AutoCAD will ask for height of that box. I can give height in the both the direction, in front of screen and in the back side of screen. I will give 50 as a height of that box, then I will press enter. So similar kind of box with the length of 100, height of 10 and width of 50 is constructed by giving the input of length, width and height simultaneously. So this we can construct a box by these two methods, and we can write procedure for that also. This is the first method of constructing box by specifying first corner point as a 0, 0, 0, another corner point as a 100, 10, 50, 100 is length, 10 is width and 50 as a height. And other method is giving box and enter and specify first corner. Instead of specifying first corner point, I have pressed L enter, then I have specified length as a 100, width as a 10 and height as a 50. This is another method of constructing box. So this two method is familiar to construct a box in AutoCAD. I will give explanation of cylinder in the next video. Thank you.